different.
What's going on, people? This is your boy Jay Hill, and welcome to another episode of the Chocolate Stocks. And in this video, we're going to talk about CCIV. So if this is your first time or just another time of being on this channel, please do me a solid and click the like and subscribe button. That will help me out. I am on the challenge to build 1,000 subscribers. So if you can help me out, that would be great. I want to build a family here. So please support the channel by doing that. So with this being said, I want to make this video about CCIV, do some technical breakdowns, and see what is some price predictions for this stock moving forward. So with CCIV, oh my God, if you was in this play, you are probably hurting. If you jumped out of this play still with some money, congrats to you. If you did not jump out of this play and you was holding with diamond hands, you are like me and holding the bag. That is exactly what I am doing. With full transparency, I'm gonna pull up my Robinhood. Right now, it is currently trading at $28.47. I have a position in here only for 10 shares. This is my public portfolio, but I am holding the bag at $41 per share. So, yes, I went from being up $200 to down $130 and counting. That is not good, not a good feeling. But, however, I am very bullish on this stock. I am looking for dip buying opportunities. I don't want to catch the falling knife. And that's the lingo of the day, is the falling knife. You don't want to catch a falling knife. If the stock is tanking, let it tank, let it find the bottom, and then re-enter the trade that way. So that is what I'm looking to do. So let's look at some technical breakdowns for CCIV. For today, I mean, it's down another 18% today. It is getting absolutely crushed after the merger of Lucid Motors and CCIV was announced. I guess, we all learned the valuable lesson of you buy the rumor and you sell the news. And valuable lesson for me, again, I am learning in this stock market too. And as I learn things, tell it to you. And I'm going to show you what I mean by buying a rumor and then selling the news. So let's look at this price action today. Man, it opened at, let's see. Today we opened around $35 and then closed around 29. No, yeah, closed at 29. Man, it is, oh my goodness, it is, this is bad. I mean, wow. And it looks like it can go one of two ways. So after hours, it's been trading sideways. We won't know what to expect next for this. We got to watch this next trading day. I wouldn't tell you to put any more money into this until you find a bottom. And I think we might be getting there. So let's look at it from a more technical perspective. So we're gonna have to zoom out a little bit. So let's go to a week view. And from a week perspective, as you can see, here is the bull ladder up. Here's the window down. And it looks like it's kind of finding the bottom. It tested this high at $64 once, tried to test it again, almost tested it one last time, and then blow, right out the window. Found support here at $30, jumped back up to 41, and it's been bearish ever since. But what I'm looking at in this chart pattern over the past few days is that you have these higher highs, lower lows, higher highs, lower lows, right? But now it's starting to just kind of get, sideways. Not too much higher, not too much low, just a lot of consolidation, which tells me that we may have found a bottom. Again, we're going to have to see how this market opens, what happens there. So we can look at some price points. I did map out some levels of support and resistance previously as the trading day was going. As you can see, it broke every level of support and resistance that I mapped out and found this bottom even going into the after hours. So we're gonna map out. Here's an absolute support level at $27.30. If you're looking to get into this trade, if it does trade sideways, I would say look for that level of support around 27.50, 27.80, around that range. Hit it with a limit order. If it let it come to you, don't just take it for market value, because if you zoom out a little bit more, and let's go to 6 month. If you zoom out a little bit more, this is what the actual chart looks like. I mean, you had a just absolute mammoth stair climb up as the rumor of the merger was happening. Merger happened, out the window, just straight pump, dump, and left everybody holding the bag. So, lesson to be learned there. You know, especially if a thing is running up off a rumor, keep this in mind. You buy the rumor, you sell the news. Keep that in mind. So with that being said, here's support and resistance levels mapped out. We are now at this absolute support level here around $28. Here's the problem. If it breaks this level of support here at $28.50, if it breaks that level of support, it's got a long way to fall. The next level of support will be right around $22, $22.50, $22.70. Somewhere around then, it might find support. It's got a long way to fall. And then past that, it's back to $19. I don't know what's next. Guys. But I'm thinking in the short term, it might not fall that far. And then pretty soon we're going to go back and test these levels. But if it does start to consolidate and trade sideways for a couple of days around in this 28 area, I would say this is an absolute buy zone. Load up, take the slingshot back up, because that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to wait for it to find a bottom. You know what? At this point, I'd love for it to come all the way back to $19 and let me load up on it. But if it doesn't, I'm looking at those three price points: 28, 22, 19. Those are the points, and I'm gonna slap money on those if it trades anywhere sideways around those price points, and then I'm gonna ride that slingshot back up to the promised land. So that's what I'm predicting with CCIV. Let tomorrow play out. See what it trades with out the open. If you see by lunchtime it's trading sideways, not really going up or going down, that is an absolute buy zone. I will probably pounce if you are bullish on CCIV. And with that being said, if this video helps you in any way, please take a moment to click that like and subscribe button. Help me out. I am on the 100 subscriber challenge. I need your help in that family. And with that being said, thank you for your time. I'll catch you in the next video.